Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Substack for blogging. To begin, simply create a free account with your email. Next, you will choose a unique name and web address for your publication, which will be your online home. It is important to clearly define your niche and who you want to reach, as this guides your content. Finally, complete your profile and write a compelling description for your publication, inviting readers to explore your work. This foundational step takes only a few minutes. Once your publication is set up, crafting engaging content is straightforward. Substack's intuitive editor allows you to write and format your posts with ease, much like a word processor. You can effortlessly embed images, videos, and other multimedia to enrich your articles and capture reader attention. Remember to structure your content with clear headings and concise paragraphs for readability. You have the flexibility to schedule posts for a future date or publish them instantly to your audience. Building a loyal audience and earning revenue are key aspects of Substack. You can offer both free and paid subscription tiers, allowing readers to choose how they support your work. Actively promote your publication across various social media platforms to reach new potential subscribers. Engaging with your readers through comments and notes fosters a strong community. Substack simplifies the monetization process by handling all payment processing, taking a 10% cut from paid subscriptions, so you can focus on writing. To truly maximize your Substack publication, leverage its advanced features. Utilize the built-in analytics to gain insights into reader engagement and content performance, helping you refine your strategy. Consider collaborating with other writers through cross-promotions to expand your reach to new audiences. Remember, Substack is primarily a newsletter platform, sending your posts directly to subscriber inboxes. Explore additional features like podcasting and community discussions to foster even deeper connections with your dedicated readership.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.